When FluentCart was released, a lot of people were skeptical. Now, for those of you that don't know what FluentCart is, it's pretty much a replacement for WooCommerce because it's faster, it's lighter, and it's full of features. But the problem was a lot of people complained that this is not a serious WooCommerce competitor because it does not have variations. Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to show you that variations now are available on the free version of FluentCart. And not only that, this variables update is so easy to use, it's amazing. Let's dive in and let me show you. So here I have a basic website. Let's dive straight in and create a brand new product from our dashboard. So I've already gone ahead and installed FluentCart, the free version, and I've also installed the pro version, but everything you're going to get from this can be done in the free version. All right, so let's head over here to FluentCart and let's add a basic product. So I'm going to come over here to products. So what I want to do here is to add a t-shirt. So I'm going to say add product. So let's just call this Mac t-shirt. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to create these variations. So on the variation type here, you need to make sure that you select advanced variations. This is very important because this is where you get that option where you get all these amazing different types of variations. All right, so with that now, we're going to click advanced variations. Okay, so our product here is a physical product. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and then say add product. All right, so this is just the beginning. The next thing now is to add a short description and a long description. So over here, I'm going to add my long description. I'm just using lorem text here. I'm going to do the same over here, just paste it. And then we're going to move on to the pricing here. So as you can see, it says advanced variations. I'm going to click here and just make sure that I have advanced selected. So what we need to do here is to add all the variations. So I'm going to start off by clicking add, and then here I am going to choose the option. So what sort of variations do I need to make this work? So there's so many things that you can add here, but I'm going to dive in and choose a most popular variation, which is color and size. All right, so over here, I'm going to first of all choose color. And then for our color values, there are colors that are added by default. So I know I have red, I have blue, and I also have white, but I don't see a brown here. So what are we going to do? Click here, and then we are going to add brown like that. Excellent. So now that I have my brown, I'm going to click add. So brown has been added. So now I have 4 colors. All right. So far, so good, right? Very simple, very straightforward. The next thing I'm going to add is the sizes. So I'm going to first of all select option, and then my option here is size. All right, so now let's add the size values. So I'm going to start with small, medium, large, extra large, and maybe even XX large. Okay, how about that? So now I have my colors here: red, blue, white, brown, and I also have my size options. I can continue on and add even more items here, but we're going to keep things very, very simple here. So the next thing we're going to do now is to click on save. Now, I want you to see what happens now. Everything has been automatically generated for me. This is one of the most exciting updates in any WooCommerce plugins that I've ever seen in my life. Check this out. Here, it's telling me it's got 5 variants. So if I click in here, can you see how I've expanded this and now it's showing all the sizes? I mean, how cool is that? But you know what? We don't want to do that. Let's add our price first. So our price for our t-shirt here is $69. So I'm going to set the same price for all of them, all 69, okay? Because the difference is just the color. Oops. Okay, there we go, 69. If we need to add a compare price, we can add a compare price if we have a sale, but you know what? We're not doing that. We've added our price. Now it's time to add our t-shirt, okay? Or the, our image for the t-shirt. So I'm going to say add media. I have some t-shirts already here, but I can add them or upload them from my computer. Okay. So just making sure that we're choosing the right color here. I've got red. So I'm going to select red, go to my media library and choose my red t-shirt. Say use this media. I'm going to save. I move on to the next one. This time is blue. Add from media, choose my blue color here, use media. All right, save. Next, I have my white, so I'm going to say add media. So I mean, adding these is very, very easy. The most of the work is going to be done initially, but once everything has been added, this is really, really very, very easy to use. All right, so we've got a brown here. I'm going to say use this media. Okay, so now I have everything. I've set my price. I've set my colors. I've pretty much set up everything. So over here, we don't want to complicate things. We can add the brands and so on and so forth. But for now, let's go ahead and, oh, what happened to my descriptions here? That's weird. Anyway, let's just paste it. Let's go ahead now and say update. Okay. So I guess this is the short description. Okay, now my product has been updated. I'm just going to refresh this, make sure that everything has been all set correctly. And sure enough, now I'm going to do a quick preview in a new tab. Right, now check this out. I now have my t-shirt here and I can choose my size. Perhaps maybe I'm a large. Boom, large, okay? And maybe I want the blue one. Do you see how amazing this is? This is in a free product. I want you to think about this for a moment. This is absolutely free. You can literally go out there, set up a WordPress website, install FluentCart, and you can have this feature right now. Now, if you're excited about this, FluentCart has even more features. For example, let's say you want to manage the inventory. You have 100 blue t-shirts, 50 brown t-shirts, 80 red t-shirts. How do you manage that? Well, this is what you get in the Pro version. And you know what? If you purchase the Pro version using my affiliate link, automatically I'll add you onto my Sell Online community where we'll just discuss and I'll be able to provide you with support for FluentCart. This is literally going to replace WooCommerce, especially with this feature. I mean, I can't even get started how I am using FluentCart. In fact, I've been using it on Divi University. It is super amazing. All right, so let's dive back here. So as you can see here, I mean, we can choose all sorts of variations. So we can say add to cart over here. Now, I haven't added a price yet because I was just super excited to show you this. Right, anyway, so back over here. Let me talk to you about the inventory. Now, the inventory feature is a paid version, okay? So if I activate inventory, now I can go in and say, okay, for the red, in fact, my SKU here doesn't exist. I can just click here to auto-generate this, okay? I can just go in and just do that. So now I can track these very, very easily, okay? You could obviously go in and add your manual SKU, but I just decided, you know what, I just want to do it automatically. Now for my stock, let's say my red is 80 in stock. I'm going to say apply. Red may be 20 in stock. I'm going to say apply. And red, let's say there's 2 in stock. How about that? Hit apply. And then this one here, extra large, there's 5. And then extra large, there is, yeah, let's say there's 1. Okay, now this is very, very easy to manage, as you can see here. So if I were to go in and expand this, I can literally go in here and have all the different variations all set up. As you can see here, the first ones I did was the red. So the red has all the different sizes, the small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. If I scroll further down, we also have the blue. So if I do an auto generate here for my SKU, now you can see it says BLU small. So here I can also add, let's say there's 10 in here. I mean, you get the idea, right? You get the idea. So what I want to do now is come over here and refresh. And now when I refresh this, you can see it has quite a lot of information. So if I choose that, and let's go with a medium, I can add the quantity in here. And if I want to display how many items are in stock, I mean, I can do that. And over here on the top, it also tells you that we are in stock. As you can see, this is a very, very powerful feature that has just been added. Go ahead, check it out. The link to that will be in the video description below. And like I said, if there's 2 things that are going to make you money as a freelancer, or if you're running your own website, is to either generate leads or to sell something online. And FluentCart is one of the best products right now as we speak that allows you to sell physical products and digital products. Thank you very much for watching. I'd like to hear your feedback. Let me know in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.